Recording now.
So, Kai is terrified of balloons, as you can hear from his threatening growls, and we're trying to, using some treats and the clicker, to train him to not be so scared of the balloon. And trying not to move the balloon, because then he shits himself. But slowly luring him, using treats, which he does like, to the balloon. But he doesn't really want to get too close to it. Come on. Come on. Good boy. He doesn't like getting much closer than that. It's very upset. We'd throw the balloon, just for the amusement, but I think we'd go backwards. Good boy. Come on. No, you got to near the balloon, not for me. Come on. Good boy. Yeah. Come on. Did that make you feel a little safer? Do you think his old owners had a balloon for kids and it popped or something? He definitely doesn't like it.